What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel, RedLineMods. I just wanted to show you guys the features that the 2.0 has on a 2021. So starting off with the tachometer, that's what you'll see. I know there's no gas, and we're about to find out range and fuel. So I got 12 miles left. I should go ahead and fuel this up ASAP. And what else is there? You go to speed and time, shows you, average speed and time you've been driving for how long. And then you have the audio here, sources. You can just, when you scroll this button, you can see the sources. You control from here. Back button right here. And then your phone, it's not connected, so back. Traffic signs, you could like drive and just have your traffic signs on, so this way you can see how many miles per hour you gotta go, even though it's still posted somewhere around here automatically when it reads a new sign. Driving support, it just shows you how many yards you're far away from the other car, but I don't trust that. It can't be accurate. Driver attention, it shows, if you're driving for a really long time, it notices you've been driving for a long time, take a break, that pops up driver attention. But if you just turn off the car and turn it back on, it will reset it to like 100% driver attention. I don't know, it's just weird. I think the steering wheel actually vibrates a little bit and it tells you driver attention to take a break. It just kind of moves it a bit, the steering wheel. I think, can't remember. Rear seat belts, this one is new. It's not in the previous Accord models, 2018 or 2020. So you can see who's wearing a seatbelt and who's not. So this one, I just clicked it just to see how it shows when it's clicked in. And yeah, so this one's not clicked in. See that passenger seat right there? It's still standing there without a seat. These two are clicked in, the left side. It shows you like it's buckled or not. The one was just sitting without a buckle. Those emojis are funny. Maintenance tells you your oil life. So if you're keeping the car and stuff like that, guys, go ahead, change the oil once you hit 20% oil life. That's to keep your engine, smooth, running really great. You don't want to take it to 0% or 5%, then change it. That's like being lazy. I just do it every 20%. And to reset, you just kind of, just click this button right here, and all do items or item A only. You can do it from the screen as well, and I'll show you that. Cancel. Okay, back. Safety support, all your, see that that's road departure medication was off, so you click on it, now it's on. And blind spot, it's on, which is actually in this mirror right there in the left corner, right there, right above that area. See it? And that should pop up once it should light up. Now they're all on. Great. It's the best features, guys. Safety is best in this car. Warnings, of course, like, seat belt or engine light or something like that. See fuel, low fuel. If your door is open, it will show you that too. Doors open, stuff like that. I just press back and we'll go back to our normal. All right, so here we go. That's what you have here on the screen, touch screen. You got the link, Honda link, compass, USB, AM, FM, trip computer, smartphone connection. So settings, right? And then when you want to reset the maintenance and stuff, you just go to vehicle, make sure the car is parked, of course. And then maintenance info, and then just select reset items, and that's it. And then for the TPMS collaboration is if you have a sign that your tire pressure is low, you just fill it up back to I think 33, and then you can just click on this and collaborate. That should reset the light. Alright, I just got some fuel in there and showing you guys. Other thing is the fact that if you don't wear a seatbelt, it just does this loud beeping sound. I'm just gonna go ahead and drive a little bit slowly, show you guys just the beeping sound. It's very different. It's a bit louder from the previous models. It starts after like 30 seconds, I think. There. See that sound doesn't stop. If it stops, it starts right away. You have to, yeah, it gets a bit annoying. Just wanted to share that, guys, with you. All right. So yeah, you got the, in settings, you definitely have the system, smartphone connections to connect, your Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. That's that. I believe that's with the wireless charging. So when you drop your phone there, it does the CarPlay as well. Then you have display, dim, nighttime, stuff like this, or default is right there. It's on default right now. And if you have it on auto over here, I believe this will change to nighttime once it gets dark, so this way the screen is not too bright in your eyes. And this, you could also switch it from here too. Just click it, night or day. And then you got the sound. Of course, you could change the bass, treble, balance, fader, speed, volume compensation. And then you got vehicle. This is where you could actually do driver assist system setup or meter setup, keyless access setup, lighting setup, doors and windows setup, maintenance information. So it's also, oh, sorry, I pressed that. It's great, honestly. And then you got your camera. Cross traffic monitor is like when you're trying to reverse and the cars are coming or people are walking by from the side to this side, it's going to start beeping, like letting you know that somebody's coming from this side, which is pretty cool. Rear camera, fixed guidelines, dynamic guideline, cool. So for instance, like this, reverse, see that? This is on now. The cross, I forgot what it was called, the cross point something, but now it's on. And you could change from here to make it wider or narrow. And this is what's cool, is that this is like right under the camera. This is how nice the lens is for the rear camera. See that? This is your bumper right here, so you know exactly where you're going to be stopping. That's a wider view. And yeah, that's it, guys. It's pretty cool. Great features, honestly. And that's all I got for now. And definitely just wanted to mention one quick thing. If you like to put it in park, vehicle, if you want to see like the headlights turn up, the tail lights turn on at nighttime when you press the unlock button, you definitely have to go to lighting setup. And where is it? Headlight auto timer is on off. So if you put 15 seconds or even more, if you have it on off completely, it won't happen. If you press the unlock button, your headlights won't turn on. To show you, it's like it's pretty nice. I like it. And then what else is it? So make sure you put on 15 or 30 seconds. That's the best way to do it, and you'll love it. That's it, guys. So peace out. See you until next time.